This is an old kitchen base unit door, and as you can see, the hinges have been removed, so I'm going to replace it. You can see where there's already been some screw holes in there. I'm going to apply some Max Bond into the hole on both hinges. Max Bond is a powerful hybrid polymer adhesive, and it will grab easily within 20 minutes. And now, when I place that back into there, that adhesive will grab the underside of there. You can feel the adhesive already start to grab it. Now I'm going to drive the 2 screws in there. And that'll be nice and solid and last for another 5 years. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.